Meghalaya'S Cherry Blossom Festival is scheduled for November 15 to 16, with the state government collaborating with Japan, announced State Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Monday. This year's festival, themed the Year of Legend, promises to attract both domestic and international tourists. The lineup features a diverse range of artists, including a rock, pop, R&B, Bollywood, indie and Bollywood pop genre. Notably, the legendary Meghalayan band Great Society will reunite after 35 years hiatus. Heralding the event is a Bonnie M featuring founding member Maisie Williams, who will perform exclusively in Shillong as part of their final tour concert.
Cherry Blossom Festival will be held on the 15th and 16th of November 2024. Where, as usual, we expect footfalls to be immense, and we are also expecting travelers not from just the rest of the country, but even internationally. This year, we will be partnering with Japan, and they will be our official country partner. This year's theme for the Cherry Blossom is the Year of Legends.